We've seen alerts. Now let's look at another JavaScript function, a confirmation. Again, let's start with a simple HTML page. Let's have a button. This time on click, let's say get confirmation function, which we still need to define in JavaScript. So let's now define this get confirmation function. We've got to include JavaScript within script tags. We've got to tell JavaScript we're defining a function with the function keyword, get confirmation. And I've typed confirm on the screen. Where did that come from? Well, that is just a JavaScript function. And these JavaScript functions, you'll just learn as a programmer over time. You'll just start remembering what these function names are. But this one is called confirm. So I haven't coded anything around confirm. This is inbuilt. And let's just ask the user, do you want to continue? Should we give this a go? Let's see what happens. So we should see a button. When we click the button, we should be displayed with a confirmation dialog box. Confirm button. Oh, let me just get rid of that semicolon. I keep putting it. This is not JavaScript, this is just HTML. There's the confirm button. When I click it, do you want to continue? And it's literally asking me OK or cancel. But now if I click OK or cancel, nothing happens. Let's try and figure out how to code something if I click OK. How would we do that? Let's go back to the code. We've got this confirm dialog box. And what JavaScript does is we can actually store the OK variable, the outcome of whether a user clicks OK or cancel, into a variable. And we're going to get into variables in the very next section. So hold tight. It just means a container of where we can store information. So let's store it in a variable called decision. So the user's decision is going to be stored depending, and that value will depend on whether they've clicked yes or no. And now we can code something. Let's code something with an if statement. And again, if statements we're going to get into later. I just want you to get a feel for how we can start working with these kind of JavaScript events. And before I finish coding here, remember how we've been through the different data types in JavaScript. And this is why data types are important. This confirm dialog box, if the user clicks yes, it returns true. And if the user clicks no, it returns false. This is just how JavaScript has built this function into its code. So what we can say is we can say if the decision equals true, let's document right, the user wants to continue. Else, and this is if the decision is false, let's write the user is scared and does not want to continue. I hope even though you don't fully understand the syntax yet, you can kind of see, you can kind of follow what it is I'm trying to do. The first thing we've done is we've created a button. And that button does nothing until the user clicks it. That's what this onClick means. When onClick is clicked, when that event is fired, the parser is going to see this function, get confirmation. And it's going to then find this function. It's going to know it's JavaScript because we've put it in the script tag. It's going to find that get confirmation function and execute it. It's going to say, okay, cool, let decision equals confirm. Do you want to continue? When it sees the confirm, it knows that that's a function, so it's going to execute it. And then if the user clicks yes, it's going to return a true boolean, and we're going to write this to the screen. And if the user clicks cancel, it's going to be false. So this isn't going to be true. And then this will be displayed on the screen. Let's see it in action. So there's our confirm button. We click it. Do you want to continue? Let's say no. The user is scared and does not want to continue. Perfect. Let's refresh the page. Let's try again. Click the button. Let's say okay. The user wants to continue. It works. I hope you're getting a feel for this, how cool it is and awesome and intuitive. Let's continue.